Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Walmart Marketplace seller payouts, beginner guide step by step clearly. To withdraw from Walmart Marketplace seller payouts, start by logging into your Walmart Seller Center account. Once logged in, navigate to the Payments section on the left-hand sidebar. In the Payments section, you will see an overview of your current balance and payout options. Click on the Payouts tab to view your available funds. Review the payout details, including the amount you can withdraw and any pending transactions. If you are ready to withdraw, click on the Withdraw Funds button. Next, select your preferred withdrawal method from the available options. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw, ensuring it does not exceed your available balance. Carefully fill in any required information related to your chosen withdrawal method. Review all details to ensure accuracy before confirming the withdrawal. Once you are satisfied, click Submit to process your withdrawal request. You will receive a confirmation message indicating that your withdrawal has been initiated. Monitor your email for updates regarding the status of your withdrawal. Keep in mind that processing times may vary based on your chosen method. It may take a few business days for the funds to appear in your account. Be sure to check the Transaction History tab for updates on your payout status. If you encounter any issues, refer to the Walmart Marketplace Help section for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.